Hey everyone, so here is Betonyou app. So here's how it looks like. You just create a free account, and then the idea of this app is that you play games. So there is a selection of games here. You just play them, and then you can win some real prizes like Starbucks gift cards, Apple Store or Google Play Store gift cards, and all of that. So for example, if you want to play the game, here I just tap play. I just need to select some mode. I select platform, select region, and then I need to put a stake. So there's like 20 octo coins. And then I just tap play, and then let's see what happens. And then you just confirm the launch of the game. So something like that. So this app is free to play at this moment, but of course then if you play more, you will need more octo coins, and then you will need to purchase them. So that's how this app is monetized. So anyways, that's okay. It just waits for a long period, but anyways, you just play that and you can win some of these prizes. In top part you can see your gems, your octo coins. You can enter a promo code and get some gems and all of that. Then you also have your profile. You can recharge your stakes. You can have here you see your stats and all of that. There is also a store where you can buy different skins, different stakes, gems, and all of that. There are also gifts. So basically, when you collect all these octo coins, you can actually get some real prizes depending on the time. I don't know, maybe the inventory of these prizes changes all the time. So as you can see here, and then you can just buy them. So for example, the chair you can buy for 69,000 these coins and all of that. So then you can just get like the real prizes for just playing games and earning coins. So that's the idea. You can have your account in the top right here in settings. So that's your account. You can see the rules. And then you can see all of these games. So there you have it. They also have a Discord server. If you tap help here and I have a question, you will be redirected to a Discord server. So you can ask the community there about all the details of this game. So that's that. And then there is store here. So that's just a quick preview for you to have an idea how that works. So this is the app. And then so just basically download the app, start playing games, and you can win rewards and then get some real prizes. And then so as you can see here, you can get a laptop, chairs, like phones, I guess. So just go to gifts tab and see what you can get in different regions. So that's the idea. Pretty cool app. Let's see what's offered in other countries. So there are Amazon gift cards, Xbox gift cards, Google Play gift cards. So that's that. Hope it was helpful.